Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jen, and as you can tell by the title, today I'll be sharing 5 easy steps to organize your bathroom. Although I'll be organizing a bathroom vanity in the video, I think you can apply these rules in other areas such as your kitchen drawers or cabinets. If you've been dreading or postponing organizing your drawers or cabinets, I hope this video will inspire you to get to it. If you enjoy lifestyle content, home decor, and organization videos, please consider subscribing to my channel to see more videos like this one. Without further ado, let's get to it. The first step is to remove all the content from each drawer. This will give you a clear idea of the space that you are working with. You want to remove absolutely everything and completely clean your space. You can use disinfecting wipes or a cleaning spray and a cloth, basically whatever you usually use to clean. I feel like starting with a blank canvas is the best way to optimize the way you're going to organize any area. The next step is to group items by category. By making little groups, the whole process becomes less overwhelming. It's a pretty straightforward step that will give you a better idea of your inventory. You will be able to really see all the duplicate products that you have, the ones that are broken or damaged, which leads us to our next step. Decluttering is a very important step. You want to get rid of bulky packages that take too much space. You might want to sort through your products and really question yourself to see, do you really need all these products? Are you still using them? Do you have too many? Do you have enough room for all these items? If it's hard for you to part ways with items, one good tip is to ask yourself if you've used this item in the past year. If you haven't used it or even thought about it during the past 12 months, it might be a good idea to get rid of it. If it's safe to do so, you might want to donate items that you don't use anymore or that you haven't opened at all. While decluttering, you might realize that you were holding on to old or empty containers as well. Take your time while decluttering to really go through your items. If you enjoyed this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me. Our next step is to use organizers. I love using organizers because I think they are very practical. By using little containers, I feel like every item has a home and it helps me stay really organized. Instead of just throwing an item back in the drawer, I know I will have to put it in a specific container. Personally, I prefer clear organizers because they create less visual clutter. I also think that the easier it is for you to see your items, the more likely you are to use them. You know what they say, out of sight, out of mind. You can find clear organizers or containers pretty much everywhere like Walmart, HomeSense, IKEA, or Amazon. The ones I'm using to organize my aunt's drawers are from the dollar store. What's really convenient with those containers is that they come in different sizes, which makes it easy to customize depending on the space you're working with. You also want to be mindful of the space that you have. The amount of storage space that you have, I'm talking about drawers or cabinets, will determine the organization system that you might want to use. For example, containers versus shelvings, how many containers you use, or how big they are. If you've seen my small bathroom organization video where I organized my own bathroom, you will notice that I had to organize my products in a way that would fit the smaller space that I was working with. My last step, well, not a step, is more of a tip, is to make it functional. It doesn't matter how nice and organized your drawers are. If they're not functional or convenient, you will not keep them organized. I just want to explain what I mean by that. As you can see, I've organized her makeup in the first drawer. These are the products that she'll reach out for the most. You want to have easy access to the things you use often. In the last drawer, I put her extra bobby pins, hair ties, and all those backup scissors. Basically, you want to put items that you will reach out for less often. It could be backup items such as extra Q-tips or refills for your products. And now, some quick before and after shots. So that is it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it and it was helpful. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!